Do you want to delete comments on Instagram? You can remove all comments on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to delete comments on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Deleting comments on Instagram is removing unwanted, inappropriate, or irrelevant comments from your posts. This can be done on your own comments or on comments made by others on your posts. To delete comments on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are in the Instagram newsfeed, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll through your posts to find the one with the comment you want to delete. Once found, tap on the picture to open it. Now, you will see a comment icon at the bottom of the post. Tap on this comment icon. You will see all the comments on this specific post. To delete a specific comment, scroll through the comments to find the one you want to delete. Tap and hold the comment you want to delete. If you are using an iPhone, swipe left on the comment. A menu appears with various options. Tap on delete to remove this comment from your post. If you want to remove all comments without deleting them, tap on the three-dot menu at the top of the comments section. A new screen appears. From here, tap on Turn off commenting. This will hide all comments from viewers and disable the comments section. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete or hide comments from your posts on Instagram.